this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of, well, I'm gonna do junk with bread. Yep, bread. And instant noodles. What a wonderful thing! So I decided to take the week and possibly the month off of reviewing instant noodles, which gives me time to do other things. Enjoy recreation, look at strange weather phenomena, and do weird things with ramen. So it occurred to me it would be neat to make some dough and then put it into a mold, but I needed a mold. So I went on a local Buy Nothing page and asked for a mold shaped like a fish. And look, a mold shaped like a fish. Thank you to DR for the donation. So, what am I going to do with this fish mold? I'm going to make some dough in the bread machine. I'm going to make a thin layer on the bottom. And in the middle, I'm going to stuff it with some noodles and a cooked down bit of the packets from this. This is Prima Taste Laksa, whole grain Laksa Ramen from Singapore. This is number 1 on my top 10 instant noodles of all time, 2022 edition. If you haven't seen that list, do it now, right now. I don't know, it'll either work or it won't work. I don't know what temperature to do. I've never made dough in this machine and then taken it out before. It's gonna be crazy, but it should end up being shaped like a fish and everybody likes that. Let's get started. Well, I guess all we have yet to do is try this thing. So let's move this over. Well, look at that. It looks kind of like a fish, but it kind of didn't stay together. It kind of looks like a bifurcated shark at this point, but it certainly looks the part, and I think now the best thing we can do is to give it a try. So let's grab our friend, Happy the Meat Cleaver, and see what happens when we try to cut this thing in half. It should be like kind of like a sandwich, I'm guessing. Look at that. There's what we got. It's sandwich-like. I'm hoping it's cooked in the middle. I guess there's really only one way to find out. Let's give this a try. Cheers. That's pretty good. The combo of the spring onion, shrimp, fish ball, and then you've got the laksa paste and the coconut powder. It's definitely a nice seafoody kind of thing going on here. I'd say it's some of the best bread I've ever made. One thing I found too is after I made the noodles and drained them, and after I made the mixture to put in here and drained them, I put them in the fridge. And obviously not all of that stuff fit in here, but after it had been refrigerated and taken out, I tried the cold noodle with the mixture that I had made, and that was really good. It was like a cold laksa salad with thick noodle, and that was really good too. So that was kind of a bonus out of this. Interesting. I don't know where the idea to get one of these fish molds came from. It just like popped into my head. It's like, I want to do that. I want to do that really bad. I really, really, really want to do that. I got to do it. So I did it. Gave it a try. But yeah, it kind of split apart. It could have been the difference in temperature of the filling. It could have been a lot of different things, but I don't know, I consider it a win. It's pretty tasty. So yeah, if you have some spare time, make yourself some fish bread. Yeah, all right. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day and your bread. Have a good one, and bye-bye.